everyone, today I'm going to share with you this beautiful perfect granny square. It's called traditional infinite granny square because you can add as many rows as you want. You can also make a lot of color changes. It looks beautiful, it can suit any design pattern, and it's super easy to make. I'm going to show you everything step by step, and I'm sure you will love the look of your granny square. I'm going to use the hook 2.5 millimeters instead of 3.5 millimeters that is recommended by my yarn label. I'm using one hook one size smaller because I want to have this neat look, a bit sturdier, and to have smaller holes so it looks tighter, it feels better, it gives better the shape. And I'm not using chaining between these sets, I'm just crocheting directly, so the holes are really small. That is perfect also for the bags. I made this beautiful granny square bag, so basically you need 4 of them, and then you just join together. You can add the belt and the button, so it's perfect for the cell phone, for the small things, and it looks super cute. This pattern is perfect because the holes are small and nothing can get out of this bag. And I added few rows of single crochet around. So after you learn how to make it, one of the first projects you can use this bag, or even use just 2 granny squares, and it's also a beautiful pouch. So actually you can make whatever, blankets, cardigans, whatever granny squares are used for. And this pattern, I'm telling you, is really beautiful in any projects, because when you have the grannies that have this beautiful shape, small holes, and yeah, the look looks different. Even though if you want, you can always make the holes bigger by chaining here between this one, add a chain 1 or chain 2, and even chain 3. I have few tutorials about that, but this one you really have to try. So let's get started. We are going to start with the magic ring. Grab the yarn, wrap around your finger and make a loop. So now you can insert the hook, grab the working yarn, pull a bit behind for your convenience, and yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook. So you have the magic ring done. Now I'm going to make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2. This is our first double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, first pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2 double crochet, yarn over, make the third one. First pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And then you are going to chain 1. And repeat. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and the third one. Don't forget to chain 1 between the double crochet sets. We're going to make another set. 1, 2, and 3. Now you are going to chain 1 and make another set. 1, 2, and 3. So in total you have 12. 3 double crochet and 4 sets. So we are working at the number of 3. We will have always 3. 3, 3, 3. Don't forget to chain 1, then find the second chain, yarn over, slip stitch. That's it. And I'm going to change the color of my yarn, because now I'm going to have the next row. I want to try this color. So I'm going to insert it directly, just like this. And then I'm moving with single crochet into this chain 1 space. So I'm going a bit backward. And then chain 2. 1 and 2. So now I can cut the green yarn and continue with the blue one. So now here we are moving to another space of chain 2. So make double crochet 3 of them together. 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and into the same space. You are making another 3 double crochet. 3. Then yarn over and we move to another chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Repeat the same here. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and we meet when we are going to finish the row here. And now we are at our first chain 1 space. We are going as usual to have 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to chain 2 and make just other 2 because we have our first double crochet. That is our last. So 1, 2. And here you must find chain 2. This is single crochet, chain 1, chain 2, and simply slip stitch. That's it. Now I'm going to change the color again. So I'm going to go with this green color. I insert and I just cut the blue. And here we repeat all the same. So here I have this space. You go directly there and make single crochet, chain 2, and 1 second. We are going to move to this space and we are going to make the corner again. So 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and the third one. All in all, like the same like we did before. And then you must make all 4 corners, and then when you arrive here I show you how to finish the row. So just make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and move directly. Oh, here you must move here. Okay, let me show you, because I forgot this row already start to have separate sets of 3. So we are moving directly, we're not chaining here, we're going directly into this space and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then we are moving to the corner, and the corner is always a set of 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then you are going to chain 2 and into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Sorry. Okay, so here you make another 3, then corner, here 3 double crochet, and we meet here. This pattern is really easy, so I hope you will be able to do all by yourself. If you have some questions, ask in the comments below. And now we meet here after you finish that row. So I really like the color combination, even though I'm not sure the blue matches, but okay, tell me in the comments if you think this color match. And now I'm going to finish with 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Then I'm going to slip stitch into the chain of 2, 1, 2. So just slip stitch. Here I have 3 double crochet. So I'm going to change the color. So I decided to add some pink to this beautiful granny square, and I really hope it can match these colors, and I'm going to add pink, even though it's a bit thinner, but for granny squares it's not so critical. And I'm going to do all the same. I just make single crochet, chain 2, and make 2 double crochet. Oh, sorry, no double crochet. For now we just keep 1, and then yarn over. We are moving directly here. And basically we do all the same. That's why it's called infinite, because you can make as many rows as you want. Each row is all the same. You make the corner, one set of 3 double crochet, then another set, chain 2 between them, then you move to these spaces between the 3 double crochet. Here we are not chaining to keep the hole small, so it's just the space really small, and you make 1, 2, 3. Then you move to the another one. Make 1, 2, 3. Each time the number of these 3 double crochet, each row will be bigger. So you just continue all like that, and then here you already know you slip stitch and start the new row. So like this, you continue for the number of rows that you wish. It could be really a big square that you can use as a blanket, or you can make several small and use them for other projects like cardigans or bags, whatever. The reason I like granny squares is because they are really like blocks that you can build whatever project you have in your mind. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you like this beautiful granny square, and it's beautiful because it can be used in so many patterns and you really can make the hole smaller. The square itself is a bit sturdier because it's with crochet tighter. So I really like the feeling and the look of this granny square. At the end I will show you my final version and see how I'm going to use it. Well, at the end I decided to add some neutral beige color to make it finish, to give it a finished look. And I think it's pretty beautiful. Tell me what you think, if you would change some colors. Maybe I doubt this dark blue, but yeah, I can change it to some other, maybe white color will be better. But granny squares are beautiful because you can use different color combinations, and in general, all together, they look awesome. So you can write in the comments your favorite granny square yarn combinations, which colors you prefer to mix. And that's it for today. If you still have questions, always welcome to ask me. You can share with me your beautiful creations on social media. You can also send me an email, so whatever you prefer. And thanks for watching. See you again next time.